Hey yo, what's up, guys? Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Good
Rufi.
evening, Sis Ajeng. Hello, Sis Ika. Hello, Bro Bara. Welcome back into class, everyone. Sis Ajeng, are you okay?
Not, not really. I'm tired.
Oh, you are tired. Okay, your voice is not gonna lie, Sis Ajeng. Okay, all right. You can have a glass while taking a rice, Sis. Okay, don't worry. Like lay down
Okay.
is never mind. Okay, take it easy. Just chill. Okay. So you guys, Sis Ika. What's up, Sis? Good evening, Sis Ika.
Good evening, bro. I'm good.
Okay. You're good. Okay, sounds great. Sis Ika, how is the weather in your place right now?
Right now is not
Is it raining?
rainy, but not.
No?
In the afternoon is rainy with wine.
Oh. What
Yeah,
about right
but
now? This is like a drizzle or just cloudy?
right now it's just cloudy.
Oh, sure. Great, Sis Ika. Yeah. So by the way, Sis Ika, have you had your dinner this evening?
Yeah, I have.
Oh, sure. What did you eat for your dinner?
I have fish,
Oh, fish.
mm, fish, and
And
tauge.
oh,
Tauge
set.
apa?
Toge is sprout. What?
Oh, sprout.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, great. It must
salty
be
sprout. Yeah.
delicious. Sure,
So,
Sis Ika. Okay. Well
mm,
done. Thank you so much, Sis Ika. All right.
thank you.
Sure. Hello, Bro Bara. Good evening, Bro Bara. Hello, Bro Bara.
Hi,
Hi, Bro Bara. What's up, bro?
I am good.
Oh, sure. Bro Bara, did you go to school today?
Yes,
Oh, sure. So what did you learn in your school this morning? What was the subject?
uh,
Did you learn English or maybe math?
Indonesian.
Oh, that's the Indonesian language. Only once?
And
What else? What?
agama.
Oh, that's your religion? Oh, sure.
Oh, yes,
Great.
religion.
Oh, sure. So how was your school this morning, Bro Bara?
It is good.
Oh, good, right. Okay, well done, Sis Bara. Thank you so much. Okay, so well, everyone, let's start our class right now while waiting others as well. So, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the class again with Speaking Partner,
We
Oh,
are the
the
best
best
partners.
partner. What's password, guys?
keep
Keep
smiling.
smiling.
Bye. Thank you so much, everyone. You are so awesome. Okay, so you guys, today is our mm, this is our second, yeah, our 19 meetings, everyone. That's our 19 meetings. So we would like to learn new topic absolutely. And before that, guys, I have like a riddle. I have a riddle, everyone. I think maybe few of you have known this riddle. For the new one, maybe for you guys, the first time you join with Profiki in this level, it's gonna be new. Okay, I have a riddle. Tebakan nih guys ya. Guys, come on. There are there are a chicken. No, there are ya. Ada satu aja deh. There is a chicken. The chicken has three chicks. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. What is Mother name? Maybe I will ask Sis Ika. Sis Ika, hello.
Yeah, hello.
Okay.
Mother names. Oh,
Yeah. Okay. Listen well. Listen it well. Okay. I repeat
yeah,
again.
yeah.
There is a chicken.
There is chicken.
The chicken has three chicks.
Three chicks.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What is Mother name?
Chicken. I
No.
don't know.
No.
No, I know.
No, just Ajeng no. Just Ajeng
What?
not. Just Ajeng gak boleh jawab ya.
What?
Hey, why? Then you
Gak
why
boleh ya.
did you answer? Okay. All right. No, right. So, what about the others? I think it should be Sis Yanti, what about you? Miss Yanti, this is
Yes.
riddle. Okay. Tebak-tebakan ya, yang dulu sama Bro Vicky pasti udah tahu guys ya. Oke. Miss
Wah, aku
Yanti,
belum tahu nih.
Sis Yanti,
Mhm.
there is a chicken.
Mhm.
The chicken
Guys.
has 3 chicks. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. What is mother name?
Mother ya Sandra. Mother the name
Yes.
Monday, Monday.
I know.
Hey, Bro Jovan,
Monday,
no,
Monday.
Bro Jovan, no.
Sunday,
Okay.
Sunday,
Sunday,
Saturday,
no,
Saturday,
no.
Saturday.
Bro Jovan, you don't need to answer it.
Don't you want to ask me? Come on, bro.
No, I don't want to
You're gonna have
ask
to ask me
you. You have
now. You're
known
gonna
it
have to
though.
ask me now. Come on now, bro.
Kemarin Bro Jovan kejebak ya guys ya. Sekarang udah tahu nih. Oke. Ya, Shanti. No, Shanti.
Saturday.
No. Okay.
No. Just ask me. Come on, bro. You're gonna have to ask me, bro.
No. Okay. So once more, I want to ask the others first. Okay. So, wait. What about? It should be Bro Adi. Halo, Bro Adi. Bro Adi.
Yeah.
Bro,
Hello,
I have
Bro
a
Vicky.
riddle for you ya. I have a riddle. Bro Vicky udah tebakan nih, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so there is a chicken. The
Okay.
chicken has 3 chicks.
Yeah.
Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. What is mother name?
What? What is
That's
the
good,
name
right?
for the mother chicken?
Yeah, that's right. That's the answer. Okay, Sis
Good
Ika,
job, Bro Adi.
Sis Yanti, do you know? Sis Ika, Sis Yanti.
So what is the answer?
The answer
What
is
is the
what? What?
Oh, what?
That's
Okay.
right, Bro Jovan, you know it. Bro Jovan udah pasti tahu, guys. Okay, so yeah, so there is a chicken, right? The chicken has 3 chicks. Ada seekor ayam. Ayam punya 3 anak ayam. The name is Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. What is mother
Is
name?
the mother name?
Iya,
Oh,
Bro
ya.
Vikan bukan tanya, kasih tahu. What adalah nama ibunya.
Okay.
You got it.
Oh
my
no,
God.
I think and the Monday Saturday.
I know. That's a question. That's a statement.
Yes.
Okay, you got it, everyone. Yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
Just for fun, everyone. Okay, guys. So back to here, everyone. Okay, so guys, today we would like to learn the last topic today before we face the final exam for tomorrow. The last topic is about trading, and I think you have known the topic for today, everyone. Look at this. The topic for today is about mindfulness. So you guys, what is mindfulness? Anyone knows? Apa nih guys? Mindfulness itu apa sih? What?
Kewarasan.
Gimana sih Siti?
Kewarasan.
Kewarasan. Okay. Yeah, guys. Mindfulness, this is like one of method gitu guys ya, or actually the way how to release stress. Mindfulness, if we translate in bahasa, you can say this is kesadaran penuh gitu guys ya. Okay. Kesadaran penuh. Wait a second guys. Mindfulness is kesadaran penuh. Jadi kita benar-benar sadar gitu guys ya. Sadar dalam pikiran, perasaan, akan tubuh kita. This is mindfulness. Okay, that's one. Mindfulness. So let's have a chit-chat topic, everyone. Okay. And I would like to ask maybe you, Sis Siti. Hello, Siti Awana. Hello.
Yes.
So what's Siti? Mindfulness is a word we hear a lot these days. Itu kata yang akhir-akhir ini selalu booming gitu guys ya. Mana-mana ada mindfulness. So, but what exactly does it mean? Do you know? Or maybe have you ever heard about mindfulness before, Siti?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because of that, I saying that is kewarasan. Kewarasan
Yes.
in Javanese
Yeah.
language is but we have what's that full mind is healthy, yeah, maybe, yeah, our mind
Mhm.
is fresh,
Health. Yeah.
not not under pressure, maybe like
Mhm.
that.
That's correct, Siti. Yeah. In our language, it is easier to say in Javanese, yeah, kewarasan. Okay. Oh my God, that's a crisis.
Kewarasan.
Okay, Siti, great one.
Normally.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
great one. Okay. So guys, this is our topic, is mindfulness. So what is exactly mindfulness? Apa sih sebenarnya? So we will learn it this one, the lesson explanation this time, everyone. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 texts. So let's try to read it. Everyone, anyone wish to read the first text here? Anyone? Don't be shy
I'll
for the first
try.
tag.
I'll try.
CCT. Yes, good. Come on, CCT. The first tag, yeah. Come on.
Have you ever driven somewhere and realized when you arrived that you couldn't really remember anything about the journey? Or have you ever eaten a whole packet of biscuits when you were planning to only have one? Or have you stay up much later than you planned? Or even all night watching just one more episode of a TV series? All of these
Ooh.
are examples of mindlessness. When we live this way, we are not fully awake and not fully living our life.
All right, great. Thank you so much. Sis. You are so great. Lovely.
Okay.
Okay, so look at this, everyone. Have you? Ini bahasanya ever, CCT ya, not ever. Dibacanya
Ever.
Yes,
Ever.
that's right. Ever. Have you ever driven? That's correct. Yeah.
Driven.
Yeah, that's driven. Have you ever driven somewhere and realized when you arrived that you couldn't really remember anything about the journey? Apakah teman-teman pernah nih ketika berkendara ya kemana gitu dan sadar ya guys ya, kita udah nyampe ke tempat tujuan kita tapi kita nggak ingat sama sekali perjalanan kita tadi lewati apa gitu guys ya. Ada apa aja di jalan tadi. That's one. Pernah nggak nih guys? Okay, I think we have average, right? Okay, that's normal as human being. The second, or maybe have you ever eaten a whole, bacanya whole ya, w-nya nggak dibaca. Whole packet of biscuits. Biscuits. Bacanya guys. Biscuit, not biscuit ya. Biscuits when you were planning to only have one. Okay. Teman-teman pernah nggak nih guys? Semisal makan sekotak, sebungkus ya, sebungkus penuh ini biskuit itu sampai habis. Padahal di awal tadi kita itu rencananya cuma makan satu aja. Or have you stay up? Okay, Sisre. All right. Or have you stay up much later than you planned? Or even all night just watching just one more episode of TV series. For example, you watch a K-drama. Okay, I want to watch a K-drama only one episode. Ternyata sampai selesai. And you don't realize you watched that movie, that series movie, until morning. Pernah nggak nih guys? Mau nonton film satu episode aja deh. Tiba-tiba keterusan sampai episode 19. Mau tamat tuh guys ya. Pagi-pagi, tiba-tiba dan subuh gitu guys. You know guys? Pernah? Anyone? Alright,
Pernah.
I think so. Pernah dong. That's right. So guys, all this example of mindlessness itu kebalikan dari mindfulness, yaitu mindlessness. Berarti ketidakwarasan gitu sih Siti ya. Oke, kita nggak sadar gitu guys ya. Berarti kita nggak benar-benar penuh sadar dengan diri kita gitu guys ya. When we live this way, we are not fully awake and not fully living our lives. Nah, ini guys. Okay, our lives. So, go on for the next one. Ini guys. The first is, what is exactly mindfulness? Apa sih sebenarnya mindfulness itu? What exactly is mindfulness? So the first, guys, anyone wants to read this? Maybe it should be, wait a moment. Bro Naufal, come on, Bro Naufal, let's read it. Ask you, bro.
Okay. What exactly is mindfulness? Yeah. When we are mindful, we are more conscious of our thoughts, our action, and what is happening around us. We might notice a beautiful sunset or really listen carefully to what a friend is saying, rather than planning what we're going to say next. We are also more aware of our own feelings and our thoughts. John Kabat-Zinn, who has done a lot to make mindfulness popular, says mindfulness is paying attention on purpose in the present moment and without judging. So we are consciously deciding what to pay attention to. We are not worrying about the past or planning for the future, and we are not trying to control or stop our thoughts or feelings. We are just noticing them.
Oh, really great. Thank you so much. Okay, bro. You also agree with Naufal. So guys, this one. What exactly is mindfulness? When we are mindful, ketika kita sadar penuh gitu ya, kita sadar diri kita penuh gitu. We are more conscious of our thoughts. Pasti kita lebih sadar, lebih peka dengan apa yang kita pikirkan. Our action, lebih peka, sadar dengan tindakan kita. And what is happening around us. Dan juga apapun yang terjadi di sekitar kita. Because we are mindful. We might notice a beautiful sunset or really listen carefully to what friends saying. Ya, kita bisa nih guys. Kita tuh bisa banget untuk memperhatikan kayak wah matahari terbenam kita nikmati gitu guys ya. Atau mungkin mendengarkan orang-orang ngomong gitu guys ya. Oke. Rather than planning what we are going to say next. Oke. Nah, we are also more aware of our own feelings and our thoughts. Kita semakin aware ya guys ya sama perasaan kita, bahkan pikiran kita. Nah, so we have the man here as bapaknya atau bapak mindfulness, John Kabat-Zinn, who has done a lot to make mindfulness popular. He says mindfulness paying attention on purpose in the present moment without judging. Jadi, menurut si bapak mindfulness ini guys, ya yang memperbolehkan mindfulness itu, ya guys ya, dia mengatakan bahwa hanya mindfulness bahwasanya mindfulness itulah paying attention. Berarti dia itu perhatian penuh gitu guys ya. Ya, paying attention. On purpose, di tujuannya. Oke, in the present moment. Berarti di momen saat ini without judging. Kalau kesimpulannya kayak gini guys, dia itu memperhatikan penuh, mensyukuri penuh apa yang ada saat ini, entah itu buruk, momen saat ini ya, entah itu baik, bahagia, sedih. They just paying attention. Dia perhatikan without judging, tanpa menghakimi. Masa hidupan kayak saya kayak gini sekarang ini, saya lagi bahagia, senang banget, saya lagi sedih, nanti kita nggak terima. No, mindfulness is not like that. This is paying attention on purpose in the present moment and without judging. Menerima apapun kejadian saat atau keadaan saat ini kepada diri kita ya guys ya. Saat ini without judging. So this one, so we are consciously deciding what to pay attention to. Jadi kita itu secara sadar ya memutuskan untuk memperhatikannya gitu guys. We just pay attention our condition right now. We are not worrying about the past or planning for the future. Kita nggak mengkhawatirkan kemarin itu gimana, kedepannya nanti gimana. No, we are not trying to control or stop our thoughts. Kita juga nggak mencoba untuk mengontrol bahkan menyetop ya guys ya. Pikiran kita no, or even our feelings no. We are just noticing them. Kita hanya menyadarinya aja, notice aja, paying attention aja. Kalaupun saat ini lagi sedih, that's okay. We can accept it, ya guys ya, without judging. We don't talk about or we don't think about our past. Kemarin gini-gini, bikin kita cuma bikin kita menyesal aja. We don't think about the future too much karena bisa overthinking terus ya guys ya. We just live in the present moment and give the best in the present moment. Gitu guys. Jadi hidup di saat ini berikan terbaik. Gimana pun hasilnya, it's alright. It's not our hands. That's it everyone ya. This is mindfulness guys. Seperti itulah mindfulness ya guys ya gambarannya. The next is why is mindfulness so popular now? Kenapa sih guys alasannya mindfulness sangat populer sekarang nih guys? Guys, anyone wants to read this? The second, this one. So it should be the, okay. She's Riri, let's go. Come on.
Okay.
Okay.
Why is mindfulness so popular now? For most people, life is getting busier and busier. Then technology means that we always have something to do and there isn't much opportunity to just be. People are often doing 2 or 3 things at the same time, texting while watching TV or even looking at their phone while walking along the pavement. People are working longer hours and bringing work home. All this can make us stressed. And mindfulness can be a way of reducing this stress.
Wow,
Okay.
great job. Thank you so much, Ms. Riri. That's really great. Okay. So this is the reason, guys. This is the reason. Why is mindfulness so popular now? Kenapa? For most people, life is getting busier and busier. Hidup itu semakin hari semakin sibuk dan sibuk ya guys ya. Technology means that we always have something to do and there isn't much opportunity to just be. Ya, apalagi dengan adanya teknologi itu berarti kita itu selalu ada sesuatu yang dilakukan. Jadi nggak hanya sekedar santai aja ya guys ya atau cuma oke, saya menjadi seorang guru terus santai aja. No, guys, we must always learn new things. Okay. And getting busier. So that's why life is getting busier and busier. People are often doing 2 or 3 things at the same time. Nah, nih guys. Orang itu sering banget ya guys ya ngelakuin sesuatu 2 atau 3 aktivitas dalam satu waktu. For example, texting while watching TV. Teman-teman balas pesan, orderan atau apapun gitu guys ya sambil nonton TV. Okay? Or even looking at their phone while walking along the pavement. Atau mungkin teman-teman main HP gitu guys ya. Sambil jalan di trotoar gitu guys ya. Gak sadar tuh kalian jalan. People are working longer hours and bringing work home. Orang-orang juga kerjanya semakin lama. Pulang ke rumah tetap membawa pekerjaannya. Oke. Sampai rumah masih kerja lagi. All this can make us stress. Semuanya ini membuat kita stres, guys ya. Nah, mindfulness can be a way for reducing the stress. Nah, mindfulness hadir ya guys ya. Mindfulness itu hadir untuk mengurangi stres itu ya. Salah satu cara untuk mengurangi stres dengan cara mindfulness. Okay. And the next is this. Why is mindfulness so popular now? Ini tadi guys ya. Oke, ini masih terus saya teman-teman ya. Oke, why is mindfulness so popular now? So in this term, it should be tadi siapa ya yang tengah? Sismara. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, you want to read this, right? Come on.
Okay. Why is mindfulness so popular now? Research shows that mindfulness reduces stress and depression. It can help you to concentrate, have a better memory, and to think more clearly. It can also help people to manage pain better and to improve their sleep. And it can even help you lose weight because you won't eat that whole packet of biscuit without thinking. Thank
Oh,
you.
great. Thank you so much, Ismara. That's really great. So why is mindfulness so popular now? Research, ini ada sebuah penelitian ya guys ya, shows that mindfulness reduce stress and depression. Mindfulness itu bisa mengurangi stres bahkan depresi. It can help you to concentrate. Ini membantu teman-teman berkonsentrasi lebih. Have a better memory and to think more clearly. Dan juga untuk ini guys ya, ketika kita membantu ingatan kita lebih baik dan juga kita bisa berpikir dengan jernih. Nah, it can also help people to manage pain better and to improve their sleep. Bahkan bisa membantu orang-orang untuk memanage nih guys ya, sakitnya gitu guys ya. Semisal dia mempunyai cerita yang masa lalu yang tidak enak, pasti kan terngiang-ngiang terus ya guys ya. Nah, ataupun to improve their sleep, berarti dia nggak terlalu overthinking, jadi enak tidurnya guys ya, nyenyak, nggak terlalu overthinking nih. Okay, so this is, it can help them. And it can even help you lose weight because you won't eat the whole packet of biscuit without thinking. Ya, bisa membantu teman-teman kehilangannya atau tidak gemuk gitu guys ya. Jadi nggak nambah. Karena kalau kita makan ya kita sadar, oh kita makan biskuit satu aja cukup. Kalau nggak sadar sambil main HP, ngemil, tiba-tiba habis. Ya udah sempet terus kita tiba-tiba, waduh nambah nih berat badan. Okay, that's the example guys ya. Okay, why is mindfulness is so popular? No, because it can reduce stress and depression. One of the way. And then how to become more mindful. This is the last one, guys. How to become more mindful. Gimana sih guys cara triknya, tipsnya melakukannya? So guys, anyone the last time reading this text? You guys, don't be shy. Anyone? I think it should be Bro Joe Brown. Bro Joe Brown. Hello, Bro Joe. Come on,
Bro,
please
why is it
read
supposed to
this.
be me, bro?
Yes,
Why is it
come on.
supposed to be me?
Why not? You are
No,
good
I
at
think
reading.
I've been reading this, like, I've been reading all of this, bro. Like, I've been reading all of this.
Come on, you can read it, bro. You can do it. Come on, bro.
Okay.
Let's
Well,
go.
I was falling asleep, and then you just wake me up, bro.
Yeah,
Okay.
so that's why I choose you, so you will not fall
Okay.
asleep again. Let's
Okay.
go. Sure.
Okay. So, how to
Okay.
become more mindful? So, mindfulness Day is celebrated on 12th September. So maybe that would be a good day to try a few mindfulness techniques and see if they make a difference. But of course, you can try these on any day of the year. A very simple technique that you could try right now is to close your eyes for a couple of minutes and count how many sounds you can hear. This will help to focus you on what is happening right now. Another technique is to focus on a piece of food, typically a reason, instead eating it without thinking. Slow down, look carefully at it, and notice how it feels in your fingers. Smell it, then put it on your tongue and taste it. Only the start to eat it slowly, noticing how it feels and how it tastes. Both of these techniques force you to slow down and focus on the present moment. And there are plenty of other ideas you can find online if you wanna. Try mindfulness for yourself.
Oh, great. Thank
Okay.
you so much, But really good. Okay, guys, how to become more mindful? Ini ada triknya nih guys ya. The first, Mindfulness Day is celebrated on 12 September. Dirayakan tanggal 12 September. So maybe that would be a good day to try a few mindfulness techniques and see if they make a difference. But of course, you can try this on any day of the year. Gak harus tanggal 12 September ya, teman-teman kapanpun boleh karena udah banyak teknik-tekniknya. One of them is the first, a very simple technique that you could try right now is this is like meditation actually, teman-teman. Yang teman-teman sudah meditation, ya itu salah satu mindfulness. Meditation. You know, the first is close your eyes. Teman-teman tutup mata, close your eyes a couple of minutes and then sleep. No. So close your eyes couple of minutes and count how many sounds you can hear. Meditasi itu guys. Teman-teman diam ya guys ya. Okay, couple of minutes, close your eyes. Okay. Coba fokus dengerin sana sini, or maybe sometimes you hear the song, teman-teman hanya fokus dengerin lagunya. Okay, nah, they will help you. This will help to focus you on what is happening right now. Itu menambah teman-teman, membantu untuk fokus lebih ya. You can just focus only one thing. Another technique is to focus on a piece of food. Atau kayak makanan-makanan, sepotong makanan gitu guys, a piece of food. Typically raisin. Dia teman-teman kayak kismis itu kan buahnya kecil-kecil gitu guys ya, raisin. Nah, instead of eating without thinking, nah kita bisa makan nggak mikir ya, pokoknya makan aja gitu guys. Nah, so you can eat it slow down. Look carefully at it. Dilihat guys, and notice how it feels in your fingers. Smell it, then put it your tongue and taste it. Kalau makan ya udah kita nikmatin gitu guys ya, dimakan pelan-pelan, dijilat, dinikmatin. Oh gini rasanya. Okay, so it is picture. Only then start to eat slowly, noticing how it feels and how it tastes. Nah, we can know, oh ini enaknya, oh ini rasanya gimana. This is good for us, guys ya. So we can focus on that one. Now, both of these techniques force you to slow down. Slow down. You can control yourself. Focus on the present moment. Teman-teman hanya fokus di waktu itu aja, ya guys ya. And there are plenty of other ideas you can find online if you want to try mindfulness for yourself. Ada masih banyak banget cara-cara atau teknik-teknik mindfulness ya guys ya, selain dua ini. If you want to do that, you want to practice the mindfulness, another technique, you can just find it on YouTube or another platform, even on, you know guys, on TikTok. It has a lot, everyone. Okay, that's it, mindfulness. So we can conclude that mindfulness is one of the best way for us to reduce stress, to control our thoughts, control our emotion, our feelings. So we couldn't feel stress or even depressions. Okay, you can do it at home, everyone. Ya guys ya. Anything, banyak metodenya teman-teman. Okay guys, so this is mindfulness guys. Anyone has ever done this technique like meditation? I think all of you guys, teman-teman sudah sering nih guys meditation, especially for the women. Meditation gitu guys ya. Okay, that's really great. Okay guys, so this is mindfulness guys. So this is the topic, everyone. We just done talking about this, and the next is our topic, a conversation. I have a topic about stress. The topic, yeah. So you can just talk about stress. You can say like, how could we stress, and also how to reduce that. Do you use these tips like mindfulness, or even you have your own way to reduce stress? Yeah, this is like a sharing. Like I said, stress is really bad, everyone. If we always get long stress, it will get depressions, and then it will be the bad effect of it, ya guys ya. Maybe kesehatan badan, ya guys ya, mental health, okay, and the bad thing is will be die, okay. It's really bad, right? Okay guys, I think that's gonna be enough for that, and then it's time for you to practice on breakout room, everyone. The topic is the same, yeah, guys. You just talk about mindfulness, but it's gonna be different topic. It should be this stars. Okay. Just join the breakout room, everyone. Teman-teman, practice in English is important. Ya guys ya, jadi teman-teman lebih baik ikut practice ya di breakout room itu. Sesi breakout room itu sesi paling penting karena kita practice ya guys ya. You learn language, any languages, not only English. You learn the topic, the material, the tips and trick, the theory. Without practicing, it's gonna be nothing. I'm sure that, because English basically it is like habitual practicing. You just use it for your conversation, because we learn communication. We don't learn math. Okay, so guys, the first question is, how do you relieve stress? Teman-teman, gimana nih cara relief itu kayak reduce gitu guys ya, mengurangi stres. What are some other ways people relieve stress? Do you think people are more stressed now than in the past? Menurut teman-teman, orang zaman sekarang itu lebih stres daripada zaman orang dulu. What do you think? What is the most stressful thing you can imagine? Kalau teman-teman bisa imagine nih guys, bayangin nih, yang paling membuat stres itu apa? And what could someone do to live stress-free life? Okay, another question that you can use with everyone. Okay, guys, thank you this one, everyone. Yeah, thank you so much for listening this time. And then it's time for you to practice on breakout room and discuss about that topic. Many people, I will make it 4. Okay, so guys, you can just join the breakout room right now and make it fun, everyone. So 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go, guys. Time is yours. So, hello everyone, welcome back to the main room, everyone, and thank you so much for practicing today. That was the next conversation you talk about, and it's time for you guys to have a 1-minute challenge. So, I get once to do that one, and I think it should be. What about you, Sismara? Okay, could you turn your microphone, please? Your microphone.
Okay, hello.
Yeah, all right. Hello. Okay, are you ready, Sismara? Just tell
Okay, I'm
us your
ready.
discussion. I thought you have a great conversation on your breakout room, and it was really fun, I think. Really good.
Okay.
Okay, so are you ready, Sismara? Yeah? Only 1 minute, just tell us your discussion about. So 1, 2, 3, go. Time is yours, Sismara.
Okay, guys, we discuss about how stressful the life and how stress is affect our mental health, our body health. Yeah, stress is bad for our health because it can affect our yeah, we can be sick, we can we don't sleep well, we can eat well, and it's important to us to avoid the stress. And while we are stressed, the most important thing is we can praying and to release the stress. I think that's it, Bro Vicky. Thank you.
Wow, that's really great. Okay, lovely. Thank you so much, Sismara. Great job. Okay, guys, so we have done it right. So I will try to give it the feedback, especially guys, if you want to say, guys, like modal verb, yeah, modal verb. Sometimes we miss when we say the modal verb and we use the modal verb. Teman-teman pakai yang namanya verb ing. Okay, so for example, I can get. Itu yang paling benar, bukan I can getting. Only verb 1. We cannot say I can getting. I can get verb 1, yeah? Okay, that's one. And also, but if you want to use a nominal sentence, it must be. I can be healthy. We can be sick. Ya guys ya. We can be hungry. We can be angry. Nah, this one. It's gonna be different. Okay? Verb 1. The common mistake is sometimes we use verb ing. And also sometimes we put to. I must to go. No, just say I must go. Kita ngikutin mau bilang harus dan pakai must dan tiba-tiba diikuti itu karena sebenarnya kita mau bilang I have to go. Kita pakai siomnya I have to go. Itu. Sebenarnya kita mau bilang itu, tapi kita pakainya must. I must to go. Meskipun artinya sama, kalau kita pakai must nggak boleh pakai to ya. I must go, or you can just I have to go. The meaning is the meaning is the same, ya guys, but it has a different structure. Okay, the first is one. And if you want to say, guys, what is mengandung? Tadi bro, ya, yes, ya. The first, kalau mengandungnya itu mengandung, semisal nih guys, video ini mengandung konten-konten yang bagus.
Content.
You can just say contain. Ya guys,
Contain.
Iya,
I'm sorry.
tapi kalau mengandungnya itu kayak tadi bro Bro ini ya tadi. Bro Naufal, is that you, right? Mengandung ibu saya mengandung saya. This is pregnant. We cannot say contain. Alright, Bro Naufal? Pregnant. You got it? Okay, that's it. That's it, everyone. Yeah. Okay, share one. Okay, guys, and okay, I think that's gonna be enough for that, everyone. Yeah. This is my feedback for this time, and really great conversation for today, everyone. Yeah. Just keep it up. Tomorrow is the last day, so that's why I will give you the information about the last exam or the final exam for tomorrow. What is that? Here we go. The final exam. This one, guys, I have a lot of topics today that you can use. Okay. This is the same. We will make a bigger breakout room tomorrow, maybe 3 or 2 bigger breakout room, and you must do this one and you must tell it one by one, like we did when we had middle exam at the time, guys. That's it the same. Okay. But the topic is gonna be different. This one, the first topic that you can use or you can choose is the impact of social media on society. Dampak sosial media terhadap society. What do you think? This one. And the second is the impact of healthy eating. Dampak dari makanan atau makan sehat gitu guys ya. Healthy eating. The influence of music on our emotion. Ya guys ya. Pengaruh musik ya guys ya terhadap emosi. Are the benefits of regular exercise. Manfaat dari olahraga teratur. The power of positive thinking. That's really great topic. The great one. The power of positive thinking. The role of education shaping our life. Yes, yeah. Education membentuk kehidupan kita. The role-nya apa nih guys ya? The impact of climate change, dampak perubahan iklim. And the last topic is the beauty of the culture, diversity, keindahan budaya, diversity ya guys ya. You can explore the value of culture diversity, maybe in your place ya guys ya, or even in other countries, never mind actually. Okay, so we have 8 choices here. Just choose one. Dari 8 ini teman-teman pilih satu aja ya. Okay, just choose as you want. And just ask it for about 2 minutes. Ingat, the minimum is 2 minutes and the maximum is 5 minutes. Not more than that. Okay? You got it, everyone? And for you guys, if you couldn't join the class tomorrow because you will have something to do, okay? You can just make a video. Just make a video and share it to me, everyone. Okay? That's the exam for tomorrow. Okay, guys, you got it, everyone? So do you have a questions, everyone, before we end the class? Nope. Okay,
No.
that's a clear information there. The questions so far, that's really great, everyone. I think that's gonna be enough. And don't forget, tomorrow is the last day. So I hope you guys all here, you want to join the last day for tomorrow. And I hope, guys, you can or you want to continue to the next level, intermediate 2. It will be more interesting. We will learn a lot of things over there as well. Okay? Help so guys, yeah. Just continue to the next level for everyone. Thank you so much for coming, guys. And before we close our class today, the word of the day is from Bro Naufal. Bro Naufal, okay. Kata-kata hari ini Bro Naufal.
Langsung nunjuk aja.
Iya, Bro Naufal nih. Bro Naufal, are you ready?
I'm
Bro
ready.
Naufal. 1, 2, 3, go. Kata-kata hari ini Bro Naufal.
Ketika teman kita membutuhkan sesuatu untuk menghibur, ya kita harus menghibur dia atau menemani dia ke tempat yang dia suka. Jangan kita menjudge dia tentang kesalahan yang dia buat, karena kita satu-satunya teman yang di samping dia.
Wow,
Modus
that's
nih,
really
modus.
great. Wow, that's really good.
Bro
Okay,
Naufal.
Bro Naufal, that's so long. Panjang banget Bro Naufal, I love it. Udah kayak khotbah buat kayaknya itu khotbah besok Jumat nih, Bro. Yeah, alright, that's lovely, bro. Look at this, guys. Dengerin, guys. This is really good. Okay. Jadi ketika ada teman yang lagi sedih ya guys ya, kita teman terpercaya terus bilang, guys, minta boleh pinjam 100, it's okay gitu guys ya. It's okay. That's never mind everyone. No, okay, just kidding. Bro, Nova, I love your word, bro. Really good, everyone. Okay, thank you so much, everyone, guys. And the last I say, speaking partner.
We are
Yes, partner. What's password, guys?
keep smiling.
Bye bye, everyone. See you tomorrow. Good night and have a nice stream, guys. Okay.
Jangan
Sure.
lupa sholat Isya, Bro Fik.
Oh iya, abis ini. Thank you for reminding me. Malam Jumat, guys. Iya,
Iya.
guys. Oh, sure. Okay. Bye-bye. Hey, why are you laughing? Bye-bye.